Yo, what's up guys? In this video I'm going to show you how you can be able to delete an operating system from your dual boot. Without wasting much time, let's go into this one. So the first thing you will need to do is to go over to the search. But before I do anything, I'm going to show you. Currently I don't actually have any dual boot, but if you do, you will see another partition under your devices and drivers here. Okay, so the first thing I'll have to do right now is to go ahead and go to the search bar here, search for ms config. Okay, system configuration. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and open this up or run it as an administrator. If I right click here, I can run as administrator. I'll give it some time. It's going to open up, and from here I'm just going to go ahead and select the boot option here. And once I'm in the boot option, as you can see right now, I only have my Windows 10, but in your case, you will actually see other Windows that you have installed for your dual boot. Go ahead, make sure the one you want to keep is your default. Currently now, my Windows 10 is on default. Just go ahead, click on that, then click on set as default. Okay, after you've done that, you have to just go ahead now and hit on apply. If you're just doing it for the first time, actually, go ahead and hit on apply. Okay, so in your case, you have to just go ahead and select the part you want to delete. For me now, this maybe you have a Windows 8 you want to delete, select that and just go ahead and click on delete. You cannot be able to delete your default. That's just what I'm trying to explain here. So once you've clicked on delete, just go ahead and click on apply. And once you do that, you're going to see an option on your desktop saying you should restart. Don't restart it yet. There's one more thing you will need to do. Go over to your, okay, I'm just going to close this up. Go over to your search for your administrative tool. Administrative tool, run as an administrator. It's gonna pop up here. And from here we're gonna go over to computer management, and it's gonna open up for us. Okay, that's good. So after once it opens up here that says storage, just underneath you can see your disk management. Click on disk management, and once you're in your disk management, I'm gonna put this on full screen. Okay, so currently now you can see that I only have my drive C, but in your case you will you also see maybe your drive D, drive E. So if for instance the operating system is installed in your drive D or E, go ahead and select it. And once you select it, then you have to right click and go down to where it says delete volume. Then once you have deleted the volume, automatically it's going to show you that that drive has been unallocated. There is one more thing you will need to do. Right click again. Once it's empty, then you have to go over to where it says create a new simple volume. Create new simple volume. Once you click on create new simple volume, it's going to show you, it's going to take you to 3 different windows. Just go ahead, click on next, and then click on finish. You don't have to edit any other thing there. Just follow the step, click next, and then click the last window which says finish. Then once you've done that, you're going to see the new drive is going to come up here, and it's going to show 100%. All right guys, this is everything about this video. If you find it helpful, go ahead, drop a like, subscribe to my channel. That's the only way to support me. Okay, see you guys on the next one. Peace out.